Welcome to Alone Business Channel. Do you utilize Photoshop? I use Photoshop every day. I have learned shortcuts to streamline my editing. One of the most valuable features of Photoshop is actions. You can apply your edits with one click the next time by recording your work. We will deliver a video on creating actions in several installments, starting with this. We need to provide detailed explanations of the values being edited. This is because the actions are available for download. We will give them away for free to a limited number of people, so remember to subscribe to our channel. Now let's create the action. Click Create New Set. Click Create New Action. Click Record. Click on Locked. Type Background. Click Create New Fill. Click Gradient Map. Make the left side black. Make the right side white. Click Create New Fill. Click Selective Color. Enter -20 for black. For blacks, enter 55. Set screen to screen. Click Create New Fill. Click Solid Color. Set the color to white. Place it at the bottom. Select Background. Press Command+T. Enter 90 for W and H. Click Stop Playing. Restore the initial state. Click Play Selection. Click Begin Record. Click Curves. Set the settings. Click on Stop Playing. Restore the initial state. Click Play Selection. Thank you for watching the video to the end. My goal is to increase my channel subscribers. Your help will help. Please subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.